Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Dawn. I'm the Reclusive Crafter, and today is Quickfire Friday. This isn't quite the video that I had lined up. I had a few technical issues again, ironically. Haven't had any of those for a little while, but I have decided I will be using this little folio that I put together on Wednesday, and I just want to put a few little embellishments on it just to kind of lift it up a bit, because I think it looks a little bit flat, if I'm completely honest. So I've dug out a few little bits and pieces, as you can see here, and I'm just going to do a little bit of decorating today, I think. Not for too long, because obviously we want this to be quick fire. And so, I don't know if you can see there, but there is a tiny little kind of clock face just in the background there. So I'm going to bring that to the front, and I'm using Amanda's Pretty Paperclip clocks for this, but I'm going to cover up the, I'm not sure what flowers they are. I think, no, I'm not even going to suggest actually. I thought maybe peonies, but I'm not too sure. I'm going to pop that on there, and then I'm going to use the flowers from the kit to cover those up, like so. Then I'm going to put a couple of little sparkly bits in there. I think we like sparkly bits, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pop this down. Like I say, it's only going to be a quick fire Friday, hopefully. I will try and keep an eye on my time, and we are going to pop that there. Maybe lift it up just a little bit. How far up can we get that without it looking ridiculous? That would be fine. So I'm going to pop that there, because I want to be able to see these once these are actually on there. We're going to pop that about there, I think. So how far do I want to glue that in? So there. Okay. So I'm going to pop that on there. How are we all doing? It's Friday, yay, and we've got a long weekend. How superb is that? I bet you're all excited. Let me know what you're doing. Are you doing anything exciting? My son invited, I think I told you on Wednesday actually, my son invited us to go out for the day for picnics, which I thought was a lovely idea. Unfortunately, I've got a couple of elderly dogs, and where he was suggesting going was quite a way, and it would have meant being out for a long day, not just a few hours or so. So we have said that instead of us going with him, we will look after his dog, so that he can have a nice day and not have to worry about getting home. So yeah, so that's what we're doing for them. So that's on Saturday. I'm just going to put these little parts. Can you see these? They're like little arborea. How do you pronounce that? Aurora Borealis. That's it. I couldn't think how to pronounce it. Do you know, life gets a struggle when you get older. It really does. Your brain just doesn't work. No, sorry, it does not. Okay, so I'm going to pop those on there. I'm just wondering about putting one in the middle there as well. I know it's a white rose, but I think I will. I'm going to pop one in there too. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. I'm going to pop that one in there too. There we go. That's nice. That just lifts it up a little bit, doesn't it? Gives it a little bit of smuts. And then I also found in my bits and pieces, I'm not sure that works. I think it might be the wrong colour, to be fair. I was trying to find a pink one, and I've got a pink one here, she says. What do you think? Do we think that one works? Or are we going to... I'll have a think about that one. Not sure about those. Okay, so, and then on the inside, I found some bits and pieces that I want to put in the inside. So I've got these, and I thought they're absolutely perfect because they're little teacups to go with, obviously, the tea party, and they're red roses. And I thought they were just quite a nice little addition to pop in there into the little side pockets. And then I also want to put one each of these in, so I'm going to pop one of those in, and I'm going to pop one of those in. And then in addition, I thought I would add in just a piece of ephemera, the little cards on one side and the little teacups on the other side. And then I want to do something kind of here, and I pulled these out. These are quite cute, aren't they? And I thought I would make up a little something, not sure what at the moment. I think I might, yeah, I'm not sure. And then I also found these, which I thought were quite fun. These are, I should have saved all this really to Stash Busted Saturday, but I just want to get this little folio finished off. I'm going to tell you, I was going to keep it a secret. I wasn't going to tell you. My first video that I did today was actually the belly band for this folio, but lo and behold, it didn't record the sound again. So I was like, oh gosh. So I'm kind of, this is a bonus video really. I thought, I don't know if you can see those again. They're like little tags, but they've got little letters in. I thought I'd put an A on this side for Alice and a C on that side for Cheshire Cat. I don't know what they'll look like though. What do you think? Let me have a look without sticking it down. Well, that's okay, actually. Do I want it there? Do I want it there? Oh, I'm not sure. I think I'll pop it there. We're going to pop it on. A little bit of glue just to hold it down. They are sticky anyway, but I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue just in case. You never can tell, can you, with these things? And they have been in my stash for a long time, so who knows? I've done the red for Alice. I'm just wondering about maybe doing, let me have a look, see what that colour looks like. That's quite nice, isn't it? I think I'll go with that colour for the Cheshire Cat. There we go. And the little old Cheshire Cat can have his little monocle up there as well. There we go. So that's those two done. Right. Not sure if I might carry on and use those throughout or not. I'm not sure. Like those. And then, like I say, I really want to just put a few little pretty bits maybe. Oh, I'm just going to go for it. You know, I am just going to go for it. Just do it. I am just doing it. Okay, so we're going to pop that one on there. I think I'll have a little white one there as well. Little white one. Little red one. Oops, get out of the way. Little red one. On there. And then I'm going to top that with a little bit of sparkle. You can't beat a little bit of sparkle, can you? I do like sparkle. I'm just going to finish that off with that in there. That looks, yeah, happy with that, I think. I think I'm happy with that. Right, can I do, have I got enough here to do a little pink one perhaps? Do I even want to do a little pink one, I ask myself. I don't know. I'll see what it looks like. I've got that there. I could put a little white. Have I got another little white piece there? Okay. Maybe we shall go around that way, Dawn. Pop that one there and that one there. And then that one maybe in there. Let's have a look, see what that looks like. Oh, I don't know. I don't think I like them on both sides, actually. So, oh, can I put the little butterfly down here, maybe? That looks quite nice, actually. I quite like the little butterfly. Just going to do his little tippy bits. I'm trying to be very delicate with this. I've just re-inked my ink pad, and this has got a little bit too much ink on it at the moment, so I'm being very delicate. Very delicate. Look, can you see it's splodged already? Goodness me. I need to pop some stuff on that. So this little butterfly I'm using is from Amanda's collections, Scrimping Mummy's collections. And I'm really sorry, I can't tell you which one this is from. Normally I'm quite good at remembering, but on this occasion I fail. Sorry, where do I want to put that? I'm going to put that there, I think. And then I'm just going to get a little bit of blingy. Blingy, blingy, bling. This is me getting blingy. Okay, come here. Which ones do we want to use? You may recall I used these on my romantique journal. So I thought I would make use of them in here as well. Not a lot, just a little bit, just every now and again. I'm just wondering whether or not I want to use pink or whether or not I want to use white, actually. Not sure. We'll go with the pink for now, just because we can. Okay. Just cutting all the bits off. And pop a little bit of glue down his body there. And a nice straight line, as you can see. Not. And then I'm going to pop those on there, like so. Okay, I think that'll do for that. Right, I'm happier with that. It just lifts it up a little bit, I think, doesn't it? Yeah, just lifts it up a little bit. So, I'm happy with the front, I think. Although, I'm saying that, I'm going to just going to add a little bit, not a lot. If I can get that off of there. Come on, off you get. I'm really conscious of time. It's supposed to only be 15 minutes, and these things always... I don't know how people craft in 15 minutes. I really don't. There's one channel I watch. I've put them there and I'm not even sure I like it now. Don't shout at me. Am I going overboard, do you think? I'm going to have to go with it now, aren't I? Because I've done it. I just feel I need to put these on to kind of level it up a bit. Maybe I shouldn't have done. Maybe I should have. I should have, what's the word? Interviewed them first. Oh, actually, that doesn't look too bad, does it? That's quite cute, actually. That's quite cute. Okay, so we've done that. We've done the front. I'm happy with the inside. That's just given that a little bit of extra. And on the back, all I'm doing on the back is I'm going to pop 3 of those little Aurora Borealis type gems just in these, just to add to the continuity of the design. What did I do with my tweezers? There they are. So let's pop that one on there. Come off. Pop that one on there. And pop that one on there. Okay, I'm just going to let those dry. It's a bit overzealous with my glue, I think, but never mind, at least they'll stick. Okay. Not going to be very shiny then, because it's all over them. Oh dear. There we go. Okay. So, I'm just wondering if I want to cut that off there. I'm not sure that I do. It does stick over quite a lot though, doesn't it? I'm going to cut that bit off. Oh dear. Drum roll. Am I going to mess it up? I don't want to mess it up. I should be a bit cross with myself if I do. There we go. Okay. Pop a little bit of ink on there. That's okay. I'm all right with that. Okay, so that's it for today. I've just finished off the little folio. I will show you it in situ through the walkthrough. I'm not going to show you today because it will ruin the surprise. So it's probably just a nice idea actually that my first video went Pete Tong on me. And yeah, so there we go. So what we've got is we've got a little tuck on the front there with the little caterpillar in there, in the red, in the green even, and then we open it up, and inside we've got a little bit of embellishment. We've got 2 journaling cards, we've got 2 smaller journaling cards, and a little bit of ephemera just to play with in there. A little bit of embellishment, the little tags A and C, and little Alice on the back there, which is lovely. And in case you hadn't realised, this tag that I've used here, I had a second one, and all I've done is I've cut that in half, and I've used half of it on this side and half of it on that side, which I think works really well. I'm really pleased with that. So that's that. So that's the little folio complete, done. That's going to go into its own little belly band, and I shall come back on Stash Busting Saturday and give you something else to work with me with. Okay, thanks very much for your time, guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you over the weekend. Bye.